Hi there is. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this false bottom placket. It's called false bottom placket because this area is quite closed and you can't open it up like a normal bottom placket because it has a zipper behind. So I have a sleeve pattern tutorial like this and I'll put in the link on the description box below. So if you want to learn how to make this pointer sleeve, kindly check my description box. So here is my front bodice and I've marked 2 inches before the center front, and I'll be using it to form my false bottom placket. So here is the bust line, waistline, and the full length of my blouse, and I'm just going to impute my measurements on this. Here I've done that already. I already have a basic block pattern, so you go ahead and check it on my description box below. Here I'm just going to show you how to make the bottom placket. So here at the center front, I've extended this line to this bottom placket and I've marked it up 1 inch here. Now I'm going to connect this point to this point like so, and this is how I'm going to be cutting it out. This is very necessary because when I put my placket onto my neckline, it will match perfectly. So what I'm going to do now is to cut this pattern out like so. You can make any shape of neckline you desire, but here I'm just going to use this for basic description of this. So now that I've cut off my pattern, the next thing I'm going to do now is to show you how to sew this. And as you can see, I've notched this area like so. You're going to notch this area too. Also, you're going to be notching the one below and at this point as well. This will help you make neat stitches when you open up your front bodice. So I'm just going to open this front bodice like so. Here I'm just going to grab it by the midpoint of the placket. That's the area I notched below the fabric. And what I'm going to do next is that I'm just going to mark the placket out on the front bodice, at the right side of the front bodice. I'm just going to mark the same 2 inches I marked, and I'm going to sew this down like so. So when I'm done sewing it together, you should have something like this, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do next is to turn the wrong side of my fabric like so. And what I'm going to do next is to grab the placket, the false placket like so, trace the midpoint and match it with the center front and sew it together. Then here as well above, I'm just going to do the same. I'm going to match this center front with the center front of the placket and I'm going to sew it together. And when I'm done sewing it and turn to the right side, I should have something like this. And what you're going to do is to give this place a good pressing and cut off the excess, and you have this. And when you're done doing this, you put your buttons and voila, attach the other parts of your bodice and it's ready. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channels for more interesting videos. Make sure you check out for the sleeve pattern. Thank you. Bye.